Adding share buttons to your blog, product, and album pages is a great way to let your visitors share your content on their social media profiles. This is a great marketing tool that will help boost your visibility and increase your audience. To start, click Marketing and then Share buttons. From there, just click each social media site you'd like to add as a sharing option. A check mark will appear when a social media site is selected. Simply uncheck a site if you don't want it to appear as a share button. The Pinterest button behaves a bit differently. A Pinterest button will only appear for blog posts, products, or album pages which have thumbnail images set. Once you're done enabling your selected share buttons, just press Save. If you navigate back to the marketing panel, you'll see you can also add a Pinterest Save button. This only appears when hovering over image blocks or gallery blocks added to blog pages, or blog pages, product pages, and regular pages. Once share buttons are configured, visitors can share your album, products, and blog posts to their social media profiles. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.